To all of you, here's Varsha Physio, and today's topic is entrepreneurship skill development. So I just want to invite Kishore to give the introduction of Ruchi Vatsna ma'am. Um,
Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you. I feel extremely proud to introduce the guest speaker, Dr. Rishi Vashni ma'am, here in this platform. She had been holding a great position of National Treasurer of IAP and also a National Head of Women's Cell of IAP. She is an amazing person. She is known for her excellency in the field of physiotherapy. Thank you, ma'am, for spending your valuable time with us. And students from various parts of this country are in this live session. We are always together. We are always united. On behalf of all of them, I wish to convey you one thing that all the students of physiotherapy in India are ready to join hands with IAP and also ready to work with IAP through the student wing of IAP. Thank you for all the CEC members for initiating the students wing of IAP. And I would like to extend my thanks to our President, Dr. Sanjeev K. Jha sir and Dr. Annamalai sir for giving this opportunity to the students to extend their hands with joining the IAP of IAP. So thank you so much, ma'am, once again for being with us in your tight schedule. Thank you, ma'am. And also, I thank Varsha for giving this opportunity. She is also a great person, ma'am. Note her. She will also will help you for in the women's cell, and she will also will become a great personality in future. Uh, Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Varsha. And thank you, Kishore, for the wonderful introduction. I think youth is the future of physiotherapy. And with this, the Indian Association of Physiotherapists, after so many years, have come back with the youth wing because you people will take the legacy ahead. That is what we believe in, because once youth come forward for the betterment of the profession, when you all stand united to take the demands in a proper streamlined manner under the guidance of seniors, things will be much better, things will be much stronger. And with the kind of the work you all in such a small age you are doing, it is amazing, it is fantastic. I've been always looking at the kind of things you participate in, be it different competitions that you all do, different initiatives. That is actually the baseline of the future. No one is here for the we are not born with the golden spoon. And with this profession, I think and this kind of youngsters taking the lead, taking it ahead, I feel the youth wing will definitely do wonders for the profession, and you all will make all of us proud. We are just just a small I think with Kishore I always see young Annamalai sir or young Sanjeev sir, because with the kind of passion he thinks about the activities, how to do, how to go ahead. And Varsha is, little, okay, we can say young Ruchi, who has the same kind of passion, same kind of things, same kind of knowledge they want to share. Whatever little we can do for you, I can assure you on behalf of the entire IAP-CEC, all the people who are there, we will always be there for all our youngsters, for all the the colleges. We would like everyone to join hands so that we can keep our rightful demands, we can fight for our rights in front of the government, in front of the bureaucrats, so that we get the basically what we all have we deserve. The profession deserve a lot of respect. So it is the movement that you have to initiate, and I strongly believe this movement should be initiated by the youngsters. And we will very soon be getting our central council. We have a lot of young women working with the team. I feel Varsha and other young girls should take women's cell ahead in their districts. You should listen to the the problems the girls are facing. If they are having some hesitation to join back the workforce. There are a lot of women who have left the work in between. Maybe they get married, or they have to take care of their ailing parents, or they have to, go through a lot of responsibilities in their life. I feel the young girls should, bring them all together, and we are there as policy makers. I think we all will be there with you to bring the women physios back to the workforce strongly. If it is entrepreneurial support, we all are ready to support. In the small districts where you can, with the teleportal, you can make small job portals in their local places, in the regional places. You make the register of the physios who are working there, connect with them so that they feel more safe in the hands of the association. The young girls who are going for home calls, home visits, they should also feel that they can actually come back to somebody, they can discuss their problems apart from the family. So all of you are doing marvelous work. I wish you all the luck for the webinar and for the session ahead. Anything from my side? If anybody wants to ask, they can ask me.
Ma'am, I have one question, ma'am. We have to know about the applying for a student membership in this our website, ma'am. Is there any online application format?
Yes, actually, there are two youth for student membership. One is for the member colleges, which are IAP recognized member colleges, and one is non-member colleges, which are not recognized. We are planning, basically, we are working on our new website, and we are planning to hopefully, God willing, launch it on the World Physiotherapy Day. So there you can find everything online. All our state chapters having separate pages, all the colleges having separate pages on the website. So there you will find the form online. The fee is 200 rupees for the whole tenure of the student period for the member colleges. We will give you a soft copy of the membership card, and the youth wing in all the zones, in all the states, in all the districts will be working for the students, for the welfare of the students. We'll be giving various, inter-college competitions will be organizing. There will be various discounts and facilities as IAP members are getting. Our student members will be also getting the same. And once you all are through with the process, you will get the card, and then you can go ahead and you be the leader, you be the young leader who can take your college and all the nearby colleges, connect with them. We can have inter-sports meet. We can have, various competitions between the colleges to bring more together as South Zone. And then other zones are also working in the same directions. And then we can have a Pan-India Youth Congress, hopefully very soon, with all our student members be the organizers and be there for the blessings.
Okay. I also extend my wishes for all the CEC members for making our association in the platform of World Physiotherapy Confederation, ma'am. Thank you once again, all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Anything else? Anybody wants to ask? You can ask.
Thank you, ma'am, for wonderful speech or your support. Or thank you for this word. I'm little rusty.
Thank you so much, and all the best for your webinar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Varsha, carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, Kishore. So, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जैसे कि आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. सो टुडे आई वांट टू डिस्कस अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. जैसे कि अभी हमें रुचि मैम ने बताया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से रिलेटेड कि व्हाट इज द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और व्हाट इज द गोल्स एंड व्हाई शुड वी डू दिस. So उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वी कैन डिस्कस व्हाट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. वी कैन इजीली से द एक्टिविटी ऑफ सेटअपिंग. अगर हम कोई बिजनेस को सेटअप कर रहे हैं और टेकिंग ऑन फाइनेंशियल रिस्क इन द होप ऑफ प्रॉफिट. Okay, we can say the new businesses opportunities have encouraged entrepreneurship or a good scale. Exactly, what is the concept of entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship है क्या? Entrepreneurship refers to the concept of developing and managing a business venture in order to gain profit by taking several risks in corporate's world. Simply put, entrepreneurship is the willingness to start new business. We can easily understand with the help of positive thinking. Okay, if we have positive thinking, then we are definitely take up and for towards the new business with the willingness power. Okay, and what is the type of entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship के types क्या क्या होते हैं? तो it turns out that there are four distinct types of startup when we are talking about entrepreneurship. तो जब हम entrepreneurship की बात करते हैं तो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि types क्या क्या हैं, what are the types? तो first है entrepreneurship organization, second small businesses and scalable, all engaged in entrepreneurships. Okay, if we are startup a new business, then we all know about what is the entrepreneurship, and we when we are connect between entrepreneurship and physiotherapy, so we are totally know about the field. सो अगर हमें किसी भी चीज में बिजनेस स्टार्टअप करना है या फिर इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को एक ग्रेट लेवल तक लेके जाना है, स्केल लेवल तक, तो हमें करेक्टरिस्टिक्स पता होने चाहिए. वी शुड नो व्हाट इज द करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. तो फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. इफ person is self motivated, then they are doing whatever they want. Okay, so one of the most important trait of entrepreneurship is self motivation. Second is understand what your offer, कि आप क्या ऑफर कर रहे हो या आपको कोई ऑफर क्या कर रहा है या फिर जो आपको किसी ने ऑफर किया है, हाउ इट फिट्स इनटू द मार्केट. टेक रिस्क. Now, know how to network, how we can develop the network in our field for the developing. Next, basic money management skills and knowledge. अगर हम कहीं पे भी कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले बेसिकली हमें नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, देन स्किल मैनेजमेंट्स होने चाहिए और बेसिकली इकोनॉमिकल सपोर्ट, देन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड पैशन. If all they are present, these element is very important for the developing entrepreneurs. Next, elements. What is the element of entrepreneurship? अगर कोई entrepreneurship करना चाहता है या कोई entrepreneur है जो इस चीज को डेवलप करने चाह रहा है, तो उसमें एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या होने चाहिए? इंटरेस्ट एंड विजन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ अगर किसी को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है उस चीज में और वो उस चीज में डेवलप होना चाहता है तो वो कभी नहीं कर सकता. नेक्स्ट, एरिया ऑफ स्किल, कि जिस भी एरिया में उसको डेवलपमेंट करना है, चाहे वो फिजियोथेरेपी की फील्ड हो या कोई और फील्ड हो, प्रैक्टिकल हो, थ्योरेटिकल हो, तो उसको सबसे पहले स्किल का एरिया पता होना चाहिए. अगर हम बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो इस एरिया में हमारा बिजनेस डेवलप करेगा. नेक्स्ट, फाइनेंशियल एंड इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट, बोथ आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड डेलीगेशन. Fifth is risk and rewards. These are basic things related to entrepreneurship. और जैसे कि रुचि मैम ने हमें बताया था कि इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से रिलेटेड क्या क्या चीजें हो सकती हैं, और जो IAP वुमेन शेल है वो बेसिकली वुमेन्स के लिए वर्क कर रहा है कि किसी भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में अगर किसी को वर्क करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो दे कैन कॉन्टेक्ट विद अस एंड वी आर हेल्पिंग टू. सो इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एक वर्ड नहीं है सिर्फ, इट इज द बेसिक फॉर्मूला फॉर द डेवलपिंग ऑफ देयर लाइफ. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, एंड जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कर रहा है, मतलब जो उस विलिंगनेस पावर के साथ अपना बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट करना चाहता है, ओके, उसको हम बोलते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योर, जो करेगा. तो जैसे अगर मैं डेवलप करना चाह रही हूँ तो मैं हुई, या आप करना चाहते हो तो आप हुए. बट हमें इस चीज का बेसिकली याद ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि एलिमेंट्स जो मैंने आपको बताया और बेसिक कीज जो हैं वो आप उस पर फोकस करें. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग फिजियोथेरेपी के फील्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं तो मैं सोचूं कि मैं किसी और दूसरे बिजनेस में अपने आप को डेवलप करूं. ओके, सो जो हमारी बेसिकली फील्ड है, वॉट एवर योर फील्ड, सो यू कैन डेवलप more and more better. So how we can done this? by the help of entrepreneurship organization. Okay, so I hope you are all satisfied from this session, and thanks to all of you. Thanks to Ruchi Vatsne ma'am, and thanks to Kishore also. Thank you.